everyone can hear you. और आप लोग शांत रहेंगे. This is the minimum courtesy when you are speaking. जब कोई बोलता है तो आपकी courtesy है ये कि आप शांत रहें और उसकी बात सुनें. वहीं पे मिडल में बच्चे मिडल में रहिए ताकि everyone can hear you.
Trusting them. We should celebrate every employee's success, and we should
Anyone else who would like to continue?
one.
मैम देख के बोल सकते हैं जो लिखे हैं उसको. We can improve the efficiency of employment by giving some work of the employee, and we can judge them of employee who is best, and we can reward of them.
And what will happen to those people who are not motivated enough from that or who are not getting rewarded?
तो प्रयास करेंगे कि ये प्रैक्टिस डेट के पहन लो.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Abhishek, and today we are here to discuss the topic how we can increase the efficiency of our employees. So, being as an HR, first of all, I will try to understand the problem and the mentality situations. Okay, ma'am. Situations and the needs of the workers according to their problems. So, and according to that, I will be taking the decisions. We can also increase the efficiency by giving them a proper workspace and facilities according to their, so that they can work properly in their environment. Harsh, what do you think about it?
I think knowing your employees' skills and behavioral styles is more important, because employees getting by their work by their skills,
Yes.
For maximizing the efficiency, and
we can also increase the coordination between
yes,
them.
and keep you can't expect employees to be focused, efficient. They don't have a focused goal and what to do, how to do. My point.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Arya Soni, and my point is first of all, we need to train the employees and develop their skills, which they are studying about previously, and give them tasks as they can match with their skills. And on achieving company's goal, encourage them with the incentives and communicate with them efficiently.
Good morning, everyone. I Jaya. So my point is that I never downtrodden to any employer because it demotivates itself. I appreciate them in front of everyone, and also I increase the salary of the employee so that it get boosted up to work in the field of IT or anywhere.
Afternoon, morning all. I am Shivanshu Kumar, and my points are: I think personal satisfaction of the employees are very necessary, and their personal satisfaction and mental happiness is very necessary, and this we can do by doing regular corporate ceremonies and all functions. Through this we can improve their efficiency, their productivity, and through this they can do more and more their best. So I think this is the biggest example of Tata is also example.
Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is how to motivate your employees. My point is, to motivate your employees in a work environment, you have to provide them a superior work environment and food facility in office, you have to give a break between that work time, and you have to also encourage and motivate your employees to to work for his good work. And my another point is to you have the manager should have to respect and to be honest with his employees, so they can work easily and efficiently in format.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Abhishek Mehta, and today's topic is how to increase the efficiency of employees. Uh, to increase the efficiency of employees, managers should be honest, respectful to the employees, and for give them rewards to the employee for work for his work, and give them give them a room to grow in their field. Uh, thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aman Raj. Good morning, everyone. My name is Aman Raj, and today we are going to discuss how can an organization motivate their employees to get work efficiently. First, employees need competitive salary that will satisfy their needs, and also organization should provide medical and health facilities to them, and time to time every organization should motivate the employees with reward and bonus and also peer recognition to them, and and organization should also provide the job security to their employees that will encourage the morale of the employees and boost up.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Aman Kumar Singh, and today's topic is how can we encourage to our employee. First of all, respect all the employee, and second one, to give success party to the employee and to give promotion to encourage them.
I'm really
कौन तो बोल रहा था?
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sarthi Singh, and today our topic is how to motivate your employees. I give them example of better employees of developed company for motivate them, and I also motivate them through my behavior. I treat like them my family members.
Yes, next.
Good morning, all of you. I am Aman Kumar. Today I am going to share how can organization get human resources to do more work. So I think organization can get more work from human by motivating them, and good and better leadership also contribute big role in growth of business. And business should have differential wages system, low wage system and high wage system. People who will produce less than a standard limit that already has fixed by an organization will give them low wages, and who will produce more than a standard limit or a standard limit will provide them high income. So that's it. I think this all are contribute big role in business organization improvement.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Prit. I'm going to deliver a topic of how can our nation get more human resource. First of all, human resource play an effective role in any organization. It needs to be required a better leadership with better coordination to understand their employees, which affect their company goals, and it leads to better business strategy to maintain the organization to with better positions. Thank you.
Hello, all of you. My name is Brajesh, and
Very beautiful morning to all of you. I want to discuss some points about how to motivate our employees. Create a friendly work environment, rewarding employees. We do always positive communications. Encourage friendly competitions. Have a meaningful and worthwhile goal. Encourage creativity. Also encourage teamwork. Don't let employees become bored. Thank you.
Anyone else?
Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is how can we increase the efficiency of employee. First one, by giving bonus to the employee. Second, by motivate the employee and providing safe and pleasant environment and employ positive work environment and increasing engagement. Thank you.
If they are while reading and you haven't speak without reading, that means you have gained much points in them.
I can speak, but my problem is that I am very
We can increase the efficiencies of employees of any organization by squashing the negative attitudes that kill creativity, celebrating success and learn from failure. Don't stop your employees to ask question and new ideas. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Piyush Tiwari. How can we increase the efficiency of the employee? We increase the efficiency of the employee, think big picture. Things that might seem like an efficient use of time to you now might actually be to your advantage in the long term. Thank you.
Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Aditya Prakash. The topic is how can you increase the efficiency of employees? There is no hope of increasing employee efficiency if they don't know they are efficient in the first place. This is why performance review are essential measure your employee performance. Then hold individual meeting to let them know where they are excelling and what area they need to do work.
Hello everyone, my name is Mark. Today my topic is how can we increase the efficiency and employee. Keep the goal clear and focus. If the goal is not clear and defined, actually achievement, employee will be less productive. So try to set clear goal and achievement, because when we set clear goal and we are productive and focused.
Hello everyone, myself Aviru Panan. Now the topic is how can you increase the efficiency of your employees? Offering opportunities will you give the employee additional skill that allow them to improve their efficiency and productivity. Communicate efficiency, organize party to your employees, good behavior to your employees.
Anyone else?
Good morning, everyone. My name is Preeti Kumari. Today, our topic is how can we increase employees' efficiency. So, first of all, we can observe employee performance throughout an evaluation period, give them appraisal for their better work, give employees regular feedback for their better work, and promote employees with performance record that consistently exceed the company's expectations. Also, obtain employees' opinion using regularly scheduled surveys, usually once a year. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sanjana, and I want to say upon how can you increase the efficiency of employees. Human resources has an important role in achieving good level of employees satisfaction. Employee satisfaction. If they are satisfied employees, efficiency will also increase. Training and efficiency will also increase. Training and development of an employee can also help in increasing the efficiency of employees, as it helps them to develop personally and professionally. Superior try to help their employees by motivating them, and teamwork is also important for an employee. They have to motivate them for teamwork and give salary as per their work. They also have to communicate with each other to increase efficiency. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Prince Raj, and today's topic is how can we motivate our employees. Every employee should have a short-term and long-term goal so that they remain fully focused to complete their work, and time to time they have to remind them of their goals so that they do not deviate from their goals. Thank you.
Start करेंगे. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ankit Yaduvanshi, and today we are here for discussion on topic to encourage our employer. To encourage our employer, we should always we should always give small incentive on their small progression, and to encourage them, we should also give them success parties and facilities which they were needed. And the small thing, the small feeling of fear of losing. Thank you. बहुत के बाद में जो मिलता है रिवॉर्ड, जैसे अगर कोई प्रोडक्ट सेल किए उस प्रोडक्ट पे जो उसका कमीशन बनता है उसको fear को भी तो ऐड कर सकते हैं. फीलिंग ऑफ लूजिंग, तो हारने का एक fear होता है. अगर आप इस टारगेट को अचीव नहीं कर पाते हैं तो हारने का fear है. Success parties.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Rohit, and good morning, everyone. My name is Rohit, and today's topic is increasing the efficiency of employment. employee. To encourage them, we should encouraging friendly competition and encouraging in creativity, and we should encourage them in teamwork, freedom on working hard and playing shorter, share positive feedback to employee to encourage them in efficiency in
Anyone else?
Hello everyone, this is me Vikas Kumar, and today's topic is how can I motivate my employees. First of all, I like to say my employees that don't hesitate. We are like family. If you have any problem, you can ask fearlessly. Try to enjoy your work. Don't depreciate yourself in difficulties. If you are not seeing anything in this situation, then think about your family. Rather, always remember Gandhi money is great. That's it.
Yes. जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स ने पार्टिसिपेट किया है, फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट, यस, ऑनलाइन यहाँ से कोई नहीं है ना? 13 स्टूडेंट. Yes, first and foremost, जितने लोगों ने भी participate किया है, I believe only 4 to 5 students have actually done a discussion by mentioning something that they think will be effective enough to gain the motivation to increase the efficiency of the employee. Other than that, उतने जो भी student हैं जिन्होंने देख के बोला है, पहली बात तो ये कि देख के ही बुलवाना तो मैं स्पीच ही बुलवा लेती तुमसे. ओके. सेकेंड थिंग ये कि अगर आप देख के ही बोल रहे हैं तो जो चीज आपने लिखी है उसमें से कितने लोग समझते हैं जो चीज उन्होंने लिखी. एक्सप्लेन। तुम बोले नहीं हो बच्चे, रख दो हाथ। जो नहीं बोले उनसे नहीं पूछ रही हूँ, जो बोल चुके हैं पॉइंट्स। यस, कैन यू एक्सप्लेन योर पॉइंट? हाँ बिल्कुल, यहीं से करिए। नहीं देख के नहीं, वो देख के बोल चुके ऑलरेडी, अब एक्सप्लेन करो।
हमारे अपने मोटिवेट करना है तो उसको प्रोवाइड तो हमेशा क्लियर होना चाहिए और उसका हमें एक लॉन्ग टर्म एंड शॉर्ट टर्म गोल होना चाहिए ताकि वो अपने गोल पे फोकस करे और टाइम टू टाइम उनको छोटे छोटे रिवॉर्ड देना चाहिए, रिकॉग्नाइज करना चाहिए ताकि वो अपने वर्क पे हमेशा फोकस।
Other than this point, इसके अलावा किसी ने अगर कोई पॉइंट बोला है तो they can explain. Yes.
वर्क प्लेस में फूड ऑफर करना, फूड स्पेस ऑफर करना चाहिए और टाइम टू टाइम ब्रेक देना चाहिए। एम्प्लॉय का काम
I will mention a point of fear, a small feeling of fear. तो मतलब ये हुआ कि जो एम्प्लॉयज है उन्हें एक थोड़ा सा डर भी होना चाहिए कि अगर काम समय के साथ नहीं होता तो क्या हो सकता है। अगर प्राइवेटाइजेशन प्राइवेट जॉब में है तो नौकरी पे भी आ सकती है और भी बहुत सारी चीजें।
वो अगर एम्प्लॉय अगर काम करे तो वर्क लोड ज्यादा प्रेशर नहीं लेना है, परेशान हो सकते हैं और वो
According to you, what should be the steps taken by an organization to motivate their employees and employees? अपने से सीखने में क्या फर्क हुआ और ये बोलने में क्या फर्क हुआ? क्या फर्क हुआ? See, first and foremost, you are students of management. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि लोगों से काम कैसे करवाया जाए और कैसे अपना काम सही से किया जाए, और अपना काम अगर कोई सही से ना करे तो उसका क्या नुकसान हो सकता है। Not in your personal effects, the effect that is handled by the organization. If you don't complete your work, what effects does it have on the organization is to be clear. Yes. अपना डिस्कशन बाद में कर लीजिएगा, वो कभी खत्म नहीं होता, मुझे भी पता है, वो बाद में भी हो सकता है, ठीक है। एंड आप अपना एप्लीकेशन देख के ही मुझसे लेके जाएंगे। एंड नेक्स्ट टाइम फॉरवर्ड वार्निंग, अगर किसी का मोबाइल बजा तो ये मेरे पास ही रहेगा पेपर, ठीक है। और घर जाके हमारे पापा का फोन अगर आएगा तो मैं बताऊंगी कि मेरे पास क्यों है। अंडरस्टूड? बिल्कुल नहीं, अंदर भी रखना है तो साइलेंट करके रखना है, बजना नहीं चाहिए आपका। ये आपकी स्टडीज के लिए यहाँ पर यूज होता है, अदर देन एनीथिंग एल्स आप नहीं यूज करेंगे। और जहाँ तक मेरी समझ है, अगर आप अपने पेरेंट्स को बताते हैं कि क्लास के दौरान फोन नहीं करना है तो वो अपने समझदार हैं कि वो क्लास में फोन नहीं करेंगे। अंडरस्टूड? These are two different words. Employee means the one who is working. Employer means under whom